In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down to click on display. Then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also tap on adaptive brightness on the left and manage it from here the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!